Today I'm taking you on a peaceful walk through the woods to a beautiful waterfall. It's an easy scenic brick trail with the sound of the river and crickets all around. Not another person in sight. And at the end, we'll stop by a unique Jesus statue in the pouring rain. Hey everyone, I'm kind of having a couple rest days in Manado, but Mario's taking me today to a waterfall. I think it's only about a 10-minute walk, so it's just a quick little detour, and then I'll probably just take the rest of the day off. But yeah, let's check this out. I'll put the name on the caption. The drive out was about 45 minutes from Manado. It's really nice. I love going through the jungle roads. Lots of cool things to see. I'm looking forward to a short walk. The road was in terrible shape from all the rain. They probably fixed it in the summer, and then the rain will wash it all out in the winter. So it's kind of one of those slow drives. Looked like it was going to rain a little earlier, but I think we're good. And there is a brick trail. Just doing a little side trip here. It's a cool looking bridge. It's like they're building a nice little cabin or something out there. Oh, imagine that. Sleeping and listening to this all night. Wow. Such a good idea. Be a real jungle experience for sure. Oh, look at this place. I'm loving this. This would be another great spot for taking photos. I love how the green moss collects on the rock and the brick and along the bridge. It looks so nice. Gives it such a natural look. Oh, listen to that water. So I have no idea this was here. Mario just suggested it. I think that's the best. He suggests stuff, I just say yes. I'm not going to be disappointed, I know that much. So, but like I said, I will put the name of this place on there. I love not knowing where I'm going. and then seeing something amazing at the end of the drive. I wish I could do this with most destinations, to show up and hire someone to drive you around and not know what you're going to see. There's English signs all through this. It's interesting. And here we go. I assume this place is much busier on the weekends. I'm the only one here, which is great. Also, if you do decide to come here, flip-flops are definitely okay. It's pretty much flat, a little bit slippery because of the moss, but yeah, you should be all right. Check out this cool little bridge. Oh, look at that. Wow, neat. Ooh. Ooh, nice woodwork here. I don't know who does the woodwork around here, but they're really good. Almost looks like it's made of concrete. Yeah, that's nice. So I won't be jumping off that today. There we go. This looks really, really neat with the rain. Looks like Flying Jesus or something like that. This is pretty neat. Not sure what this town is, but it's pretty cool looking. Making a bit of an umbrella for the camera. As you can see, we're up on top of the hill. It's raining a little bit. So this is Jesus monument.